Hi, I am Jay. This is the US dollar, the most powerful currency on earth. But right now, it's under attack. A rebellious digital coin is breaking the system. A rising superpower is rewriting the global money game. If they succeed, the dollar might collapse. And this money will never be same again. So, can Bitcoin and Chinese yuan really destroy the US dollar? In next 10 minutes, I will reveal the truth behind the financial war, the player, the traps, and who will control future wealth. So, this is not just economics. This is global power shifting in real time. The US dollar is not just a currency. It's super weapon. America can print huge amount of money, spend billions on wars, and still stay in control of world trade. But for other countries can't really stop it. Sound like a cheat code, right? Because it is from oil to your iPhone to your gold ring. It all flow through dollars. So 60% of global reserve dollar, 88% of trade deals dollars. But here's the plot twist. Even America's own allies are secretly escaping it. America can punish countries by blocking their money, spying on their trades, or cutting them off from the world's back. That's why many countries want to break free from the dollar's system. Countries like Russia, China, Brazil, and Saudi Arabia are dumping the dollar in trade. Swift bans, US debt, and economic pudding are making nations ask.
Leaders of the BRICS bloc of emerging economies are meeting in Rio de Janeiro. Top of the agenda are Donald Trump's trade tariffs and the risks to the world economy.
The BRICS country is now using their national currency for oil, food, and tech deals. Hello, mic check, mic check. China is not waiting. It's pushing the yuan everywhere. It launched the digital yuan, already used in cities like Shenzhen and Suzhou. Belt and road countries are accepting yuan for infrastructure, oil, and minerals. China even convinced Saudi Arabia to discuss oil payment in yuan, direct challenge to the petrodollar.
Now let's talk about Saudi Arabia. It is deepening ties with China. Today they've signed a deal to trade in their native currencies and sideline the US dollar. The deal is worth almost $7 billion and it's valid for 3 years.
But there is a problem. The yuan is tightly controlled by Beijing. Global investors don't fully trust China's policies, censorship, or capital restriction. So yes, the yuan is rising, but global dominance not yet. Then comes the wild card, Bitcoin.
And I thought my jokes were bad.
Decentralized, limited, and borderless. Bitcoin doesn't care about government or inflation, it just runs. Also, BlackRock, Fidelity, and major institutions are now investing billions via Bitcoin ETFs. But it's not perfect. Bitcoin is rigorously volatile. You can't run an economy or pay salaries in something that moves like a roller coaster. Even Salvador's Bitcoin as a legal tender experiment struggle. They needed an IMF bailout to stabilize. So, is Bitcoin the future? Maybe, but not as a replacement currency, more like a digital gold. Experts agree the financial world is shifting. According to Goldman Sachs, the dollar may lose share but not its throne. Also, do State Bank admit crypto is maturing but won't replace fiat just yet. So what does this all mean? The answer is not about who wins, it's about who survives. The dollar won't disappear, but it will share the stage. The yuan will grow through influence, especially in Asia and Africa. Bitcoin will evolve, maybe not as a dollar killer, but as a digital gold or a safety valve when system break. The future is not about one currency to rule them all. So it's about many options, power and risk. So where will you store your value in 2035? Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share and don't miss next video.